Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show you what did frost do with my plants. It's not nice. So here you can see we have a Japanese plum. It looks okay now for the moment. Here just a little bit of Monelia. So this should be cut here to stop the spread of the disease. And the lilies doesn't look great. So you can see that the leaves are drooping, they're water soaked. It's a sure sign of frost damage. And it is extremely disappointing because these lilies were supposed to grow nice this year, and they were strong and great with good stems, and they're frozen. So almost look at this Conca d'Or, it's totally dead. It's not going to grow this year again, so you can see here also it's water soaked, and some of them may survive, but most of them will turn brown and die. Look at this Tomos. It's dead. Maybe some survived below the straw, but I'm not sure, until a few weeks later when the new shoots emerge, and we're going to have frost every night this week. And we just had snow, and it melted because we are above freezing, but it's very bad. And unfortunately this is part of life. If you work in agriculture, you know this quite well. There is no weekend or night or national holiday. You have to work every day, make sure your plants and animals are okay and alive, eat well, drink well. So yeah, not great. I hope I will have better news next time. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye.